Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Well, it is not an issue, it is an iOS feature where your ringtone incoming call sound gets low. There is a feature you have to turn off if you don't want that. Sometimes when you pick up your phone and when your phone says that you have seen the screen, it will lower the ringtone volume. So if you don't want that feature, here's how to turn it off. Go to settings. You have to scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. Just input your password and click on OK. Scroll down, you're going to see where it says Attention Aware Features. iPhone will check for attentions before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. And this affects calls also. I have already disabled this feature because I don't like it. So after disabling this feature, your ringtone volume won't be low. It will be audible until you pick up the call. So that's how you fix this issue or turn off this feature. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.